morning, grade 8. We're doing set 15.6, question 2. Areas of some circles are given below. Find their diameters. Area is given, we have to find the diameter. We very well know this is question 2. From that, we are doing first. Okay. Now, we all know that area of a circle is given by pi r square. But we have to find the diameter. So what is the procedure? First we will find radius and then just double it because diameter is twice radius. So let us first find the radius. Now what is given? Area is already given. So below area I am writing 176, which is equal to pi is what? 22 upon 7 into r square. Now let me shift this to the left hand side. So division will be multiplication, multiplication will be in division. This will become reciprocal. Here there is multiplication. Alright, so if you take it over here, it will be 76 into 7 upon 22. So this will become reverse if you are transferring it. Alright, 22 is in multiplication, it will go in division. This is in division, it will go in multiplication, which is equal to r square. Now see, 22 ones are, and 22 into 2 8s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16 plus 117, that is 176. So 22 8s are 176. So what are we going to get? R square is equal to, R square will be equal to 8 7s are 56. But we don't want R square, we want to find R. Are you understanding me? So we are first going to take the square root so as to find R. So taking square root from both sides, what you get? Square root of R square is R. R will be equal to square root of 56. Is this clear? R square square root is R. Are you understanding me? See, if I take square root of 2 square, so that will be square root of 2 square is 4 and square root of 4 is 2. So 2 we are getting at the end. Similarly, r square and its square root, you will get r. Got it? So we got radius as root 56 centimeter. And what is diameter? Diameter is equal to twice radius. So that is 2 root 56 centimeters. Is this clear? So that's the answer. So here crucial step is taking the square root from both sides. Please write this. From both sides. If you want to go from r square to r, you have to take square root. I hope it is clear. Let's go to the next problem now. Diameter, but here in point it is given. So let us do it. Area is given in a decimal form. So let us see what it is. 394.24. 394.24. And you have to find the diameter. What is the unit? Centimeter square. Okay. So area of circle again is equal to pi r square. So 394.24 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. So you have 394. Now I am writing this 24 upon 100. It is same as this. See, after two numbers point will be there. Into 7 upon 22 is equal to r square. Alright. So first we have to carry out this division and check if it is divisible by 22. So let us do the division. Now look at the second question. Area of circle is given as 394.24 and you have to find diameter. Area is pi r square. Area is given as 394.24, which is equal to pi is 22 upon 7 into r square. I want r square, shifting this over here. 7 will be in numerator, 22 in denominator. It will become reciprocal. Now 394.24 I have written as 39,424 upon 100. After 0.2 numbers are there. So you can write this whole number divided by 100, because after 2 numbers you will get point and will get the same number. So it is same as 2 upon 10 can be written as 0.2, or 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. So this can be written as the whole number divided by 100. Now see, if you carry out division, 39,424 divided by 22, I have done it over here, you get 1792 as a quotient. So 22 ones are, and 22 1792s are, is this much. So we got r square as 1792 into 7 upon 100. So if you calculate this multiplication, you get r square as 12544 or 12,554 upon 100, which is equal to r square. Now we don't want r square, we want r. So we have to take square root from both sides. So square root of 12,544, see I have calculated over here. Make 2 pairs starting from your right hand side, only one is left. Then you have to take all the squares. 1 ones are 1. Add this over here. We have done how to calculate square root. 1 plus 1 will become 2. Then at a time you have to take this pair down. So 1 minus 1 is 0. You got this 25 down. Now after this 2 you add particular number, so that after multiplying this number to both these numbers, you have to write the answer over here. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. And then same number you have to add over here. Again plus 1 I have done. If I would have taken 2 and 2 over here, 2 twos are 4 and 2 twos are 4. 44 would be greater than 25. So I have no choice rather than taking 1. So I have taken 1. So now I have 22 and here I have 4 remaining. Again you take this 44 pair down. At a time 2 numbers have to be taken which are in the pair. Alright. So I got 444. Now here 22 were there. So which number I should be adding? So that, and with same number you have to multiply below. For example, if I am adding here 2, multiply with 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4 and 2 twos are 4. So 2 plus 2 I get 4 over here, 2 and 2. And remainder I get 0. When you get remainder as 0, quotient is your square root. And what is the trick to identify we are correct? This number will be always double of this. Alright, so we got 112 as the square root of 12,544 and square root of 100 is 10. That is why I have written only r and not r square. Now divide by 10 means after one number point will be there. So r will be 11.2. If radius is 11.2, then diameter is twice radius. So 2 into 11.2, that is 22.4 centimeters. This is very important, students. Do write these calculations on your own. Do these calculations in rough margin of your notebook. I hope it is clear. Okay. Let's go to the last problem now. Look at the third problem. Area is given as 12,474. So 12,474 is equal to pi into r square. Again shifting this side, we get 12,474 into 7 upon 22 is equal to r square. Divide only this number by 22, you get 576. Division I have done it over here. So 22 ones are, and this is 22 567s are. Now r square will be what? 567 into 7. Now instead of multiplying this and again finding out square root, there is another simple way. See now what I am doing. I got r square. This number I am splitting as, see 7 8s are 56 and 7 1s are 7. So this can be written as 7 into 81. 567 is 81 into 7 and this 7 as it is over here. Now I want to find r, not r square. So I have to take square root. So square root of r square is r and square root of this number I am writing 81 as it is. 7 into 7 is 49. Now what is square root of 81? It is 9. And what is square root of 49? It is 7. So out of square root you get 9 into 7 which is equal to 63. So if you don't wish to find out square root by division method, you split this number and see that you are getting complete squares like this, so that their square roots can be taken out. Alright. So 9 into 7 is 63, but diameter is twice radius. So twice of 63 is 126 centimeter. I hope it is clear. So that's all from my side for today, students. Please complete your books, whichever book is available at home. If you don't have books from which is given in the school, or you have not taken it, then please write whichever copy is available with you. Please stay home and stay safe. Thank you.